12 Benefits of using baking soda. Have you ever wondered how a simple kitchen ingredient like baking soda can transform your health? Sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health conditions. Today, we'll uncover 12 incredible benefits of baking soda and how it can support your body's wellness in surprising ways. Let's dive into its powerful properties and practical applications. Number 12. Relieves heartburn and indigestion. Baking soda is one of the most effective natural remedies for heartburn and indigestion. It neutralizes stomach acid by acting as an alkaline substance, reducing the burning sensation caused by acid reflux. Many people use it as a quick home remedy when they feel the discomfort of acidic stomach contents traveling back up the esophagus. To use, dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. This provides almost instant relief while balancing the pH in your stomach. Additionally, chronic acid reflux sufferers might benefit from occasional use of baking soda, though overuse should be avoided to prevent alkalosis. For long-term relief, combine it with dietary adjustments. The temporary buffering effect it provides can prevent damage to the esophageal lining, helping the body heal while reducing the risk of GE or D-related complications. 11. Soothe sore throats. A sore throat caused by infections or irritation can be alleviated with baking soda. Its mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and discomfort. When mixed with warm water and a pinch of salt, baking soda creates a soothing gargle that can kill bacteria and viruses, thereby easing symptoms. It also helps to loosen mucus, making it easier to clear your throat. Using baking soda for sore throat relief can also help protect against secondary infections. Gargling with this solution creates an environment where bacteria struggle to thrive. Number 10. Balances pH levels in the body. Maintaining the body's pH balance is crucial for optimal health, and baking soda can help with this. When the body becomes too acidic due to poor diet, stress, or illness, it can lead to fatigue, inflammation, and other health issues. Baking soda, being highly alkaline, helps neutralize excess acid in the bloodstream. Drinking a solution of baking soda in water can help restore this balance and promote better overall health. This benefit is particularly important for those who experience chronic acidosis due to kidney dysfunction or metabolic conditions. Baking soda acts as a natural buffer, reducing the burden on kidneys and preventing complications. However, it should always be consumed in moderation and under medical guidance if used regularly. 9. Eases symptoms of urinary tract infections. Baking soda can provide relief from the discomfort caused by UTIs by neutralizing the acid in urine. This reduces the burning sensation during urination and creates a less favorable environment for bacteria to thrive. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it once daily until symptoms improve. The alkalizing effect of baking soda also supports the body in flushing out harmful bacteria more efficiently. While it is not a replacement for antibiotics, it can complement prescribed treatments, speeding up recovery. Always consult a doctor if UTI symptoms persist or worsen. Number 8. Enhances kidney health. Chronic kidney disease often leads to an imbalance in acid levels in the body, a condition called metabolic acidosis. Baking soda can act as a supportive therapy by reducing acidity and lightening the workload on the kidneys. Studies suggest that baking soda supplementation can slow the progression of CKD in some patients. This is because sodium bicarbonate aids in neutralizing toxins in the bloodstream, reducing the kidney strain. However, patients with kidney issues should only use baking soda under the supervision of a healthcare provider, as excessive intake can lead to sodium imbalances or other complications. 7. Improves athletic performance. Baking soda has gained popularity in the fitness world for its ability to improve endurance and reduce fatigue during intense exercise. Lactic acid builds up in the muscles, causing discomfort and reduced performance. Baking soda acts as a buffering agent, delaying the onset of fatigue by neutralizing lactic acid. Many athletes take a small dose before workouts or competitions to enhance their performance. Studies have shown that baking soda supplementation can improve sprint times, endurance, and overall power output. However, it should be taken with care, as too much can cause stomach upset. Consult a fitness professional or nutritionist before incorporating it into your routine. 6. Fights fungal and bacterial infections. Baking soda is an effective home remedy for certain fungal infections, like athlete's foot or candida overgrowth. Its antifungal properties disrupt the pH levels that fungi and bacteria need to survive, slowing their growth. Applying a paste made of baking soda and water to affected areas can provide relief and prevent further infection. In addition to topical use, baking soda can help combat internal infections when consumed in moderation. For example, it may reduce symptoms associated with candida overgrowth in the digestive tract. Always pair this remedy with other treatments or dietary adjustments for maximum effectiveness. 5. Whitens teeth and improves oral health. Baking soda's abrasive texture makes it a natural tooth whitener, effectively removing stains caused by coffee, tea, or smoking. Its alkalinity also helps neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Using baking soda as a toothpaste or adding it to your regular toothpaste can improve overall oral hygiene. It also has mild antibacterial properties, which can reduce bad breath and fight plaque buildup. However, overuse may damage tooth enamel, so it's best to use it sparingly or consult a dentist before incorporating it into your oral care routine. 4. Reduces skin irritations and rashes. Baking soda's soothing properties make it an excellent remedy for skin irritations, insect bites, and rashes. It can help reduce itching and inflammation when mixed with water to form a paste and applied to the affected area. This remedy is especially effective for conditions like eczema or psoriasis, as it calms flare-ups and reduces discomfort. In addition, baking soda can be added to bath water to relieve symptoms of sunburn or poison ivy exposure. Its gentle alkalinity helps restore the skin's natural barrier, promoting faster healing and reducing redness. 3. Provides relief from cold and flu symptoms. During a cold or flu, baking soda can be used as a natural remedy to clear nasal congestion and ease breathing. When dissolved in water and used as a saline nasal rinse, it helps flush out mucus and allergens, providing instant relief. Baking soda's anti-inflammatory properties also reduce swelling in nasal passages. Drinking a solution of baking soda and warm water may help alleviate body aches and fatigue by restoring pH balance during illness. While it won't cure the flu, it can certainly ease symptoms and support a quicker recovery. Number 2. Treats gout and joint pain. Gout is caused by the accumulation of uric acid crystals in the joints, leading to pain and inflammation. Baking soda can help by neutralizing excess uric acid in the bloodstream, reducing the frequency and severity of gout attacks. Drinking a baking soda solution regularly, under medical supervision, can provide relief for gout sufferers. Its anti-inflammatory properties also benefit those with arthritis or other joint issues, as it helps reduce swelling and improves mobility. Combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, baking soda can be a valuable addition to managing joint health. Number 1. Aids in detoxification. Baking soda is often used in detox baths to draw out toxins from the skin and promote relaxation. Its alkalizing effect can help balance the body's pH and improve overall health. Adding a cup of baking soda to a warm bath, along with Epsom salt, creates a rejuvenating experience that soothes muscles and refreshes the body. Baking soda is more than just a household staple. It's a powerful natural remedy with numerous health benefits, from easing indigestion to improving skin health. Its versatility makes it an essential part of any wellness routine. Always consult a healthcare professional before using baking soda for medicinal purposes to ensure safety and effectiveness.